In the series of learning programming in C, in previous video I have discussed what is need of nested loops in C, why you use nested loops in C, and we have discussed nested for loop also in previous video with the help of complete program, their flow chart and everything. So now in this video I will discuss nested while loop. Nested while means while within while. We will see syntax of writing nested while loop, flow chart, working of this nested while loop with the help of flow chart, as well as we will see now at last we will see a program and we will try run that program and see what output you will get when you use nested while loop. Right, everything we will be talking about in this video about nested while loop. So now what is nested while loop? Nested while means while within while. What is general syntax of while? We write this keyword while, here we write condition, this is in small letter because this is keyword, right? And this is what general syntax, here we write some block of statements, right? Now nested means within this while again I am writing one more while. Here I am writing the condition for inner loop, and here I am writing what? Some statements, you can say inner loop statements. This is inner loop statement block, right? In this block only we do that increment and decrement in while loop. I hope you know, and initialization would be before this while loop, right? Now see, and here after this inner while loop, here you can write what? Outer loop statement block. Here we write some set of statements and that's it. So this is what? Inner loop, and this is what? Your outer loop, right? And it's not always, in the previous video I have already told you, it's not like that within while we can use another while. We can also write something like this. If you are writing here while, here this is condition, within this I can write down a for loop also. This is also nested loop, right? Within this for loop again you can write this do while loop, right? That's it. While, then within this for, then within this do while. Again if you want to write down within this do while one more nesting, you can also write down any loop, for while or do while. You can do nesting up to many levels, n levels according to your requirement, right? So now this is what general syntax of that nested while loop. Here also you can do nesting up to multiple levels. While, within this while one more while, within that while one more while loop, right? Now what is the flow chart? How you can draw flow chart of this? First you can say this is what? Outer loop condition would be checked first of all, right? And if this condition is true, then inner loop condition would be checked, right? Now if this inner loop condition is also true, then what? This inner loop statement block, I am writing in that short form ILSB, inner loop statement block, that would be executed. You have to write down it proper, right? After executing this block, now where control will go? Control will again check the condition, right? Because in this block only we do increment or decrement, so no need to write down in a separate box like update or increment or decrement, right? This is what inbuilt in, means we have written in this statement block increment and decrement. So after this execution again inner loop condition would be checked, again this block, again condition would be checked, and if this condition is false, inner loop condition is false, this is false, then what would happen? If this is false, then control will go to this outer loop statement block. So now here I am writing this. Outer loop statement block in short form. After executing this outer loop statement block, control will go to here, again outer loop condition would be checked. So this is what? Outer loop condition would be checked. If this condition is true, again control will go to the inner loop condition would be checked, and this would be in a loop, right? This is the process. If this outer loop condition is false, then you can say exit or end, or whatever you write after this loop statement, XOR statement, ABC, there control will go, right? So if this is false, then where control will go? I hope you have noted it down, the syntax. I am just rubbing it. So if this is false, then control will go, you can say here end or exit, right? Or you can say whatever statement you write in the syntax, statement XOR statement, ABC, right? So this is what flow chart of this nested while loop, right? Now Next, let us discuss it with the help of a program. Suppose this is the code. I am using nested while loop here. Now what would be the output? See, at first I is equal to what? 0 and j is equal to 1. I am going to initialize it here. Now in this while loop, control will go to here, I less than 3, yes, condition is true, so control will enter here. Again one more while loop, j less than equal to 3, yes, this condition is also true, control will enter here. Printf %d j plus plus, post increment, right? So now first the value would be printed, the original value would be used here, j plus plus, original value is 1, so 1 would be printed. Now j plus plus, after using this value we are going to increment. Now this becomes 1 will be printed, now this becomes 2, right? Now again control will go to the condition, right? 2 less than equal to 3, yes, condition is true, again control will enter here. Now j plus plus it would print. Now first of all original value of j would be printed, that is 2 would be printed. Now value would be incremented, that is 3. Again condition is true, yes, now 3 would be printed, now it would be incremented 4. 4 less than equal to 3? No, now condition is false. So now control will go to here. Out of this inner while loop, what statement would be executed? That are written immediately after this while loop. This statement I have written. %d, now I plus plus, I want to print I plus plus. So this is also post. First of all original value of I would be printed, right? So now I is what? 0. Now 0 would be printed and now I becomes 1. After printing this, now control will go to here, the condition of outer while loop, right? As I less than 3, yes, this condition is true, control will enter again, j, now see, if j less than equal to 3, now j is what? 4, this condition is not true, now control will not enter here, control will go out of this while loop, means here, I plus plus I want to print, right? Now first of all original value is 1, that would be printed, now I becomes 2. Now again outer loop condition, is this condition true? Yes, control will enter here. Is j less than equal to 3? No, j is 4. It is not true. So control will go out of this inner while loop. I plus plus would be printed. The original value of I would be 2. Then it would be incremented 3. Now is this condition true? No. Now control will exit from here. So this output you will get, right? I hope this working is right. If I am wrong, then you can tell me in comment box, right? So now I hope you got the working of this nested while loop, right? Now see, if I want to modify this program a little bit, I am not writing anything here. Now you have to tell me what output you will get. I am not writing anything within this body inner while loop. I am not writing any statement, printf statement within this outer body. I am just writing inner while loop. After these, both the loops, I am writing printf %d plus plus I and plus plus j. Now what output you will get? You have to tell me in comment box, right? Now that's it for this video. Now I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.